let me introduce you to a new business selling noodle, command noodle.
Có bia hoa trần vậy. Còn đã shop nó môi phi boy buôn ram của môi còn lại luôn. Tình nó.
สวัสดีครับลุงเนี่ยได้กำปงแต่ตัวสนา channel Ray KH welcome back to Ray KH everyone ในขณะวิดีโอนี้ชมหนึ่งมาหาลุงเนี่ยหนึ่งมุกระบอทำไมมุจฉาคือจะต้องชิมมวยหนึ่งมุกระบอลุนมจอก let me introduce you to a new business selling noodle command noodle ลุงเนี่ยเคยนี่คือกิจกรรมเพียงเป็นการลุระบอบองโอในของสาวชุดนี้ในความเป็นลุมจอกในมันสลอกกะรีมีสลอกน้ำยามีสลอกไม้นั่งกันแต่เป็นแสนคือสลอกบกเทียบแต่แกเอาชมูตาตึกให้ตึกขนมสารลงเทียบลุงเนี่ยบางเคยยังปีตึกปีร่วมในการลุระบอบ so this is a new business of selling command noodle you can see in this video so you can see that people are lining in queue in order to buy command noodle จังนั้นเคยจะมาดูคนเดียวกับปงแต่ลำจูคนนี้นำใบติงนำไปจกระบาก่อนจังการลูกมีจกนี้ยืนเธอจะเบียนงานแต่นำไปจกเมียนเป็นลายกลุ่มมกเมียนโดยจิตสอบเมียนโดยจิตโยงเจเมียนโดยจิตจีเป็นลัดน้ำเสพเส้นนำไปทัวร์ชีกลุ่มซ้อมจิมวยในลงไปจกบ้าน so we have variety of vegetable such as cucumber and some kind of other vegetable จังลุงเนี่ยเคยมาดูในลูกในกระปงแต่วิกจอบคือถ้าหยบได้หยบเชื่อมันแต่นี่คือเชียร์สลอตึงมาใหญ่ลูกเนี่ยมีลักษณะรสชาติแปลกอย่างนี้ it's type of new soups that make with command noodle and you can see these are our traditional soup called curry looks so yummy everyone จังลุงเนี่ยเคยนี่คือเชียร์ curry เนี่ยเมื่อกัวช่วยมันเต้นมาហើយបងប្អូនមើលមនុស្សម្នាគាត់ឈររងចាំទិញគ្រប់គ្នាដោយសារតែគាត់លក់នៅផ្លូវកែងហើយមានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់មែនទែនដូច្នេះហើយធ្វើឲ្យអ្នកដែលជាមួយរបស់គាត់ហ្នឹងគឺតែអ្នកមកទិញរៀងរាល់ព្រឹក so every morning there are a lot of customer lining in a queue in order to buy her command noodle it's traditional food for Cambodian people and it's very simple to make it and also lucrative for business ចឹងចំនួននេះមើលទៅវាសាមញ្ញក៏សមដែរប៉ុន្តែវាទាមទារឲ្យមានការច្នៃប្រឌិតខ្ពស់ផងដែរដើម្បីធ្វើឲ្យរសជាតិនឹងកាន់តែឆ្ងាញ់លោកអ្នកឃើញនៅក្នុងនោះគឺមានតែសក់ជ្រក់អញ្ចឹងសក់ជ្រក់ហ្នឹងដាក់ជាមួយនឹងនំបញ្ចុកហ្នឹងវាធ្វើឲ្យរសជាតិនំបញ្ចុកហ្នឹងកាន់តែឆ្ងាញ់មួយកម្រិតទៀត so the seller just use type of pickle we call cucumber pickle in order to make with command noodle and it makes the taste much better than normal អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើការដាក់ជ្រក់ហ្នឹងទៅរសជាតិនឹងកាន់តែឆ្ងាញ់ប្លែកម្យ៉ាងទៀតហើយអ្វីដែលលោកអ្នកកាន់តែមើលប្លែកនោះគឺថានៅក្នុងទូរបស់គាត់ហ្នឹងគឺពូពេញទៅដោយបន្លែស្រស់លាងឡើងស្អាតដាក់នៅក្នុងទូយ៉ាងមានរបៀបរបបមានប្រកបទៅដោយអនាម័យអញ្ចឹងមានដូចជាសក់មានតយោងចេកមានជីមានផលិតមានផ្កាស្នោមានបន្លែប្រវត្តិផ្សេងទៀតបាទហើយជាពិសេសក្នុងម្ទេសបាទលោកអ្នកឃើញម្ទេសអ្នកដែលចូលចិត្តម្ទេសគឺកាន់តែឆ្ងាញ់ទៀតអានោះបញ្ចុកនេះបើអត់ដាក់ម្ទេសទេដូចជារសជាតិដូចជាទៅផ្សេងបាទ so you can see that this is called a Khmer noodle a traditional noodle used in Cambodia and when you talk about Khmer noodle you talk about Cambodia so these are our traditional food that you should try when you are coming to visit our country Cambodia I guarantee you that it's very yummy delicious just try Khmer noodle យើងមកបងប្អូនដែលរស់នៅកន្លែងណាដែលចង់សាកល្បងនំបញ្ចុកខ្មែរអាចមកទទួលទានបាននៅកន្លែងនេះឆ្ងាញ់មែនទែនបាទ the price is only 1.25 cents only ចឹង 5,000 តម្លៃមួយចានតែ 5,000 ទេអញ្ចឹងលោកអ្នកឲ្យមកជួយទិញគាត់ផងទៅតម្លៃធូរថ្លៃមែនទេលោកអ្នក 5,000 យើងកាន់ 5,000 យកទៅធ្វើនំបញ្ចុកខ្លួនឯងក៏បានដែរលោកអ្នកបាទអញ្ចឹងនេះគឺសកម្មភាពដែលគាត់កំពុងនៅវិកខ្ចប់ទុករួចជាស្រេចដើម្បីទុកជូនដល់អតិថិជនដែលគាត់មកតាមក្រោយឬអ្នកខ្លះគាត់អត់មានពេលគាត់មកទិញទុកសិនហើយចាំគាត់ទៅទិញអីផ្សេងចាំគាត់ត្រឡប់មកយកវិញអញ្ចឹងមកគេខ្ចប់ទុកណា so you can see the sellers packing some package in order to be delivered to guests coming to get it because some other customer they are very busy, so when they come here they just pay the money and then a few minutes later they will be back in order to collect their order. ចឹងលោកអ្នកបានឃើញជាសកម្មភាពនេះគឺសកម្មភាពរបស់អ្នកលក់នំបញ្ចុកបាននៅផ្សារជុំនេះនឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងលោកអ្នកដែលចាប់អារម្មណ៍ក្នុងការទទួលទានអាហារពេលព្រឹកបែបខ្មែរជាងលោកអ្នកអាចមកញ៉ាំនៅនំបញ្ចុកក៏បានណា Okay so please come and buy her Khmer noodle បាទលោកអ្នកឃើញនេះគឺជាសកម្មភាពដែលគាត់កំពុងតែវិខ្ចប់មកមានញឹកមែនតើហើយភ្ញៀវគាត់មកកាន់តែច្រើនដូច្នេះអ្នកលក់ដល់ទៅ6 7អ្នកនោះលោកអ្នកនេះហៅទឹកមិនលោកអ្នកនេះសេះសិតតែម្ទេសអូមកទៅតំណឆ្ងាញ់មែនចេះមានជីមានម្ទេសរសជាតិគឺពិតជាមិនគួរឲ្យជឿមែនចឹងអ្នកសាកល្បងមកតែខ្ញុំចេះថាតើសាកមកនោះឯងមិនដឹងណាអានេះគឺសឡខ្មែរយើងរសជាតិបែបខ្មែរអ្នកចូលចិត្តសឡខ្មែរគឺត្រូវតែម្ដងគឺគ្រឿងខាប់ថើតែម្ដងអានេះគឺទឹកម្ហិចលាយជាមួយនឹងសាច់ត្រីហើយជាមួយនឹងម្ទេសច្រើនមែនតើអញ្ចឹងរសជាតិសឡរបស់គាត់មានរសជាតិផ្សេងៗគ្នាលោកអ្នកពេញចិត្តមួយណាលោកអ្នកទទួលទានរសជាតិមួយចាស់ហើយក្នុងឆ្នាំនេះគឺក្រហមនេះគឺការីបាទអូខេអរគុណសម្រាប់ការទស្សនាវីដេអូស្ដីអំពីការរបរស៊ីតើតើជាមួយនឹងរបរសាមញ្ញនៅក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជារបស់យើង Thanks for watching Ray KH channel and see you next episode. Enjoy.